Channel. So for this week's video, I don't have anything that's like super big, like before and after projects. I'm actually working on one right in front of me. I'll show you. Here's what I'm working on. Obviously it's not done. It's focusing on the tripod. There's your little sneak peek. So this week as I said, I don't have anything big, but I am doing a mini project and I thought I might share it with you all. Last year I had ferns in my hanging basket hooks, and they were these ferns, and I loved the way they looked. They looked beautiful, but the problem is that birds had nested inside of my hanging planters and it caused them to die. One, because I could not water it properly, and two, because after the birds had left and the little baby birds had flown away, I went to remove the nest, but the entire plant was like overrun with bugs. Don't know what kind of bugs, but it wasn't a pretty sight. So basically I had to go and throw away my precious fern, and it was a sad day. But this year I'm determined to not let that happen. Now, I did a bunch of research online and I found a couple of tips that might help you all in preventing birds from nesting in your hanging baskets. Now, a little bit of a disclaimer, I do not hate birds. There are birds' nests all over our house. Any place that you can put a bird's nest, there's a bird's nest, and we leave them alone. I just don't want them to kill my ferns this year. Just wanted to clarify that because I don't want people to think that I hate birds and I'm trying to be mean to them. So the first tip that I found was to use wooden skewers, like shish kebab, is that the word? Shish kebab? I got these from Walmart. They were $2-ish. They have very sharp pointy ends. I don't think I'm going to have those pointy ends pointing up. That just seems kind of cruel. So I'm gonna break them in half and not going to hurt them. Now, the second tip that I read and found out about was to use rubber snakes and just to like string them through your planter. The funny thing is that I went to the Dollar Tree and looked for rubber snakes and I could not find any. So they had rubber lizards, blue lizards, and I chopped the arms off. Is that cruel? It's not a real lizard. I feel so bad about it. But yeah, I chopped the legs off. That kind of looks like a snake-esque, right? Maybe just a snake that's eaten a meal. I did film a little clip of me chopping the legs off. Don't know if I'll show it to you. I mean, here's a little clip. Anyway, yeah, it was graphic, never mind. But yeah, I'm gonna try and see if these fool the birds. If they don't, I will try to find rubber snakes somewhere else. Could not find them. Not something I look for all the time though, so. But anyway, I'll quit blobbing and I'll show you how I do this. Much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it helps you out, or you just feel the same way about ferns and not wanting nests in them to kill them. Maybe it just entertained you and made you laugh. That would be good as well. Anyway, I'm sorry this went up on Sunday instead of Saturday. This week has been crazy. Hope you guys all have amazing weeks, and I will see you guys in the next video. As always, bye guys!